Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I am doing extra long coffin nails and these are the products that I'll be using in today's video, and all of these products I purchased off Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link down below in the description box. But yes, starting right off, I'm going to place the product down the length of the nail, and then I just pat that product in place. And this was actually my first time working with Beetles Polygel, and I must say I was very impressed. I actually loved the product. It was easy to work with, it wasn't sticky, it wasn't runny. So yeah, I definitely would suggest using or trying out the Beetles Clear Polygel. Again, I purchased this product from Amazon. I believe it was only like $7. And after I have patted that product across the top of the nail, I then use my brush to try to get that product as smooth as possible and to keep the shape as much as possible before I go ahead and cure these nails for 60 seconds. Next, I place my second bead of the Polygel directly above the last where the nail tip and the natural nail meet, and I gently push that product back towards the cuticle area before I smooth it down. And since these are extra long nails, I decided to use the 2-bead method just to make sure that my nails have a nice apex and a nice structure, because that is very important, especially when you're doing longer nails, because that is what prevents the nails from breaking or cracking. And moving on to my first finger, I repeat the same process as before. Place the product down the length of the nail where the tip and the natural nail meet, and just pat that product in place before I go ahead and smooth the side walls of the nail and across the top of the nail. And I can't believe it's already September, but I'm so excited for fall. It's one of my favorite seasons. And I just purchased some new fall nail colors, gel polish nail colors, and I'm so excited to use them. So definitely be on the lookout for some new nail videos with fall colors. And again, I'm placing my second bead of the product in the center of the nail where the tip and the natural nail meet. And then I am pushing that product back towards the cuticle area. But I do want to note that I don't actually touch any of the product that is directly in the center of the nail. That product stays there because I want it to be my apex, so that the nail has its structure. So I'm pretty much only blending the top part of the product and the bottom part of the product, if that makes sense.
That's that most city, that's I that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you know when I'm on the side. You like when I make fire, you say the flake and make you fire. Let me come inside, let me plant that seed inside. That's the distance, only thing that stuck with me. Only thing that was real, only thing I could feel. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to catch me away.
And just the FYI, I never actually clean my gel brush after any service. I usually just wipe it off with the paper towel and then put the cap back on because I want to keep the shape and the form of the brush. And if you put your brush in acetone, you definitely can mess your gel brush up.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. Then my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Y'all a real credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I love you one day. Baby, will someday grow. Till then I sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think it was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. Y'all don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Okay, and these are how the nails turned out. And I'm just cleansing the nails off the tacky layer with alcohol and a paper towel. And I am going to file and shape and buff these nails off camera. And here they are. And after filing and shaping these nails, I actually fell in love with the clear look. So I decided to do some kind of clear nail art. So here I am just placing a very thin layer of Beetles base gel. And once I cure those nails for 60 seconds, I am using this Beetles silver metallic nail art liner brush to create some nail art on top of these clear nails. Now, as you see, I have used Beetles gel polishes before and I absolutely love them. I think that they are a great product at an affordable price. So yeah, I guess this is just like a Beetles video. It wasn't on purpose, but I'm using all Beetle products for the most part.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go. I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. In you like the book for empathy, is blood in my pen. Better get with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't looking home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. Yes.
And these are how the nails turned out. I love them. They are so cute. I definitely feel like a baddie with these nails. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next nail video.